Are you curious about niche perfumes but worried they might be too expensive? Imagine owning fragrances that smell luxurious, artistic, and sophisticated, all without breaking the bank. Today, I'm sharing my top 5 affordable niche perfumes for beginners that offer a high-end feel on a budget. And make sure to stick around because the final pick is an absolute gem you won't want to miss. Welcome back to the Scent Review channel. Niche perfumes are known for their unique and luxurious scents, but they can seem a bit intimidating for beginners, often because of their price or complexity. But the good news is there are affordable options that are easy to wear and still give you that premium experience. So let's dive into my top picks for budget-friendly niche fragrances. Let's start with Montale Roses Musk. This fragrance is a perfect gateway into the world of niche perfumes. It has a simple yet elegant combination of roses, musk, and a hint of jasmine. It's light, versatile, and long-lasting, making it ideal for daytime or evening wear. Plus, travel sizes are available at a great price point, so you don't have to spend a lot to try it. Next, we have Mancera Cedrat Boise. If you love citrusy, woody fragrances, this one is for you. It opens with a burst of zesty citrus, followed by rich, woody, and musky notes. It's fresh and energetic, perfect for those new to niche perfumes. And here's the best part. It's one of Mancera's most affordable options. For something truly exotic, consider L'artisan Parfumeur Timbuktu. Inspired by African rituals, this fragrance blends incense, spices, and earthy tones to create a unique scent that's still beginner-friendly. It's a standout fragrance that will help you make an impression without spending too much. Amouage Reflection. Man is next on the list. Known for its sophisticated blend of floral and woody notes, this fragrance is subtle yet memorable. While Amouage is often associated with high prices, travel sizes and decants make this luxurious scent accessible for beginners. And finally, the hidden treasure I promised, Nishane, Hacivat. This fragrance is a masterpiece, with sparkling citrus at the top, creamy woods in the heart, and a touch of pineapple that makes it unforgettable. Although the full bottle can be expensive, decants and smaller sizes allow you to enjoy this stunning fragrance without overspending. So there you have it, 5 affordable niche perfumes that are perfect for beginners. Which one caught your attention? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're ready to start your niche perfume journey, check out the direct links in the description box. They'll take you straight to these incredible fragrances. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with anyone looking to explore niche perfumes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.